Can this project and the request token, the decentralized blockchain based payment system, do a 100x from here and multiply your money in this bull cycle? We'll be checking this project in today's episode, and also the request US dollar chart and the Ethereum US dollar chart. Here in the blue, we have the Ethereum US dollar, and in the candlesticks, we have the request against the US dollar. We can see the similarities that there is, and we are potentially looking for an explosive move in the coming months for the request token. We'll be checking this out also. And the BTC US dollar, I did mention yesterday, this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern and the potential targets is getting the head to the neckline, and from the breakout, this is also going to take us to the $40,800 range, guys. We did not just met the target here at the $41,000 range. It went over a few thousand above my target because of Elon Musk buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. If you want to take advantage of these signals, you want to use Bybit or Femex. Femex has still got an incredible promotion going on. You can get up to $600 depending on what you're going to deposit. But if you use my link in the description, you can get up to $600 of bonus, guys. All the information is in the description. And also this pattern on the link US dollar 15-minute chart was mentioned, this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. And I did mention if we broke this neckline, we could potentially see the $26.9. If we break the neckline, I'm expecting the link US dollar price to come all the way to the $26.9. We absolutely exploded out of the neckline and came and retested as support and continued to the upside, guys. I've got most of my profits out at 26.4, and I'll be getting my other profits out if we arrive to the 26.9.8 levels, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want these trading signals in the future. We'll be also taking a look at the BTC US dollar chart in the 15-minute candlestick. We can see that we formed this ascending wedge up to the $48,365. We broke out of the wedge. I'll be showing you some possible targets. We'll be looking at some different levels. So all of this, guys, in today's episode. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial market. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into this project. I know I usually start off with technical analysis on the charts, but let's just have a quick review of the Request Network project. The token that powers the network, the Request Utility Token, referred as the REQ, ensures the performance and stability of the Request network. So what is Request? Request is an open network for transaction requests. It allows anyone to create, store, and access invoices and receipts in a universal decentralized network. By having all transaction requests in one place, companies with services like accounting, invoicing, payment processing, and auditing can plug into the same network and communicate with each other using the same single source of truth. It is built using blockchain technology and completely decentralized. No one owns the network, and the data remains verifiably immutable. Permissioned access means that the data remains accessible to those who need it and completely private from those who don't grant users ultimate control over their own data. The governance token MakerDAO utilizes Request for all their in and outbound payments. Maker is the 8th decentralized project here on CoinGecko. They have $2.3 billion of market capitalization, and the Request Network Utility Token has 46 million market capitalization. So does it have a 100x potential? Can you 100x your money with this great project? I think you can. Let's take a look at the graph here. We can see in the green red candlesticks here is the Request US dollar chart, and in the blue is the Ethereum US dollar chart, already breaking all-time highs, as you can see. And one thing that I want to notice with you guys is the similarities here. Usually Bitcoin goes first, Ethereum follows, and then some other altcoins. If they're decent enough good projects, they will follow the trend. So we can see the similarities here of this project with Ethereum. Look how they are so similar. We are potentially looking for an explosive move here for the request token, because we are just about breaking this high here. And if we break up here this high like Ethereum did, we can see when Ethereum broke this high here, we touched it and then we broke out of it. We went into this huge parabolic run. So this is a possibility for the request US dollar chart, guys. So I could potentially put 2 to 3% of my portfolio into this project. This could 50x, 100x. You know, it is a $46 million market cap. It is very, very low. It has huge potential to grow. We can see that we've finished this accumulation phase and now we are breaking major resistance, so we can have a huge blast off to the upside and you can make decent gains with this project. Taking a look at the BTC US dollar chart. On the 15-minute candlestick here, we can see these huge green candles. This was Tesla, Elon Musk buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and we were entering this ascending wedge, guys. We've broken out of this wedge and the measured target would be going to the lower part of the wedge, which would be the $42,600 range. I'm not telling you to short the Bitcoin price to the $42,600 range, even though this would be the measured move of this ascending triangle. I am waiting for the Bitcoin price to have a cool off and we can detect other patterns to place another long. I like to long Bitcoin in the bull market because all of this news coming out, if you place a short order, we could just go to $50,000, $60,000. It's better to wait for a cool off, different patterns, to place a long order, guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see these future signals. This is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. If you're new to Bitcoin, we've got great reviews and tutorials on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Jujex leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.